You're probably wondering if this soy wax is good for making candles at home. So here's everything you need to know about this wax before buying it. So this is the American Soy Organics Freedom Soy Wax, all natural soy wax for candles. This is a 5-pound bag. Here are what the contents look like. They're these little like wax beads. These are designed for candles, tea lights, and wax melts. A lot of people who use this like the fact that it does come in bead form. And I'll tell you, as a candle maker, it's just easier to navigate when something is in the form of beads. It's really easy to measure. You don't have to worry about like chopping it up. This is also paraffin free and beeswax free. So it is a plant-based option that a lot of candle makers prefer, especially when creating candles with cleaner ingredients. A common question is whether or not this is beginner friendly. I would say yes. This was the first wax that I ever worked with. I got into a lot of candle making groups on Facebook, and I got into those groups and I started asking the experts who've been doing this a long time, hey, I'm new, I want to try candle making. What wax should I use that's going to be worth my money? By far, out of all the waxes, this was the one that everyone recommended. In my personal experience with this wax, I found that it melts really evenly, really nicely. It's worked well in my containers and my wax molds. I found that it blends really well with my fragrances. Also did really well with my dyes and my mica powders. Like I mentioned, this is a 5-pound bag. I have used this for several small batches of candles. I'm only like halfway through this bag. So a little is going to go a long way if you're making candles as a hobby or for gifts, or even if you're a small candle making business. When I was doing a lot of reading in the Facebook groups, I found that a lot of like very seasoned candle makers were still using this wax. And that was after them trying a bunch of different waxes and all the things. They ended up still coming back to this one. So if you're thinking about purchasing this, just keep in mind that you are going to need the other candle necessities. You're still going to need wicks, you're going to need containers, and you're going to need fragrance oils if you don't already have those. But if you're looking for an easy to use soy wax, this is going to be a great option to have on hand.